and welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Mines Department submits final report to CEC. Report not signed by Technical Committee, Mines Secretary nor by Chief Secretary. Buffer Zone hearing on 30th November. Illegal mining hearing on 6th December. Sources hint at involvement of government officials in Anganwadi rice black marketing scam. Police file FIR against driver. Contractor claims innocent. Civil Supplies Department awaiting Mamladar's report. Tollywood actor Nagarjun likely to conclude IFFI. Bollywood celebrities to visit IFFI in concluding 2 days. ESG to set up trust for cinema artists. Electricity line helper gets electrocuted at Kashti Sange. Family blames electricity department for negligence. Engineer claims line maintenance staff don't follow safety norms. Dular Football Stadium finally set to see some action. Artificial turf work complete. Inaugural match expected to be played on December 15th. And Goan bowlers torment Kerala. Host managed to sneak out a draw after following on the final day. Goa get 3 points owing to first innings lead. And now the news in detail. Mining Department handed over the final report on mining to the CEC on Tuesday. Shockingly, neither the Technical Committee of Mining Department, Mining Secretary nor the Chief Secretary has signed the report. Sources say that even this report might be rejected by the CEC as the department has failed to give thorough and detailed information sought by the CEC. Meanwhile, the petition on buffer zone is expected for a hearing before the Supreme Court on 30th November, while the illegal mining case is scheduled on 6th of December.
On Tuesday morning at about 11:30, Mines Director Prasanna Acharya submitted the final report on mining to the CEC. As per the sources, this report can also attract controversy. CEC can outrightly reject the report. This is how it happened. Mining report without signatures of Technical Committee of Mining. Mining Secretary refused to sign. Chief Secretary refused to sign as council officials haven't signed. However, Mining Department did not have any other option than to submit the report to CEC. Hence, Director of Mines Prasanna Acharya reported to Delhi early morning and returned back late evening on Tuesday. What can happen in this situation? CEC will get annoyed with the report, might criticize the department and submit report to SC, recommend strict action to SC, few officers might face stern action. As per the sources, of the many things CEC had sought, the Mines Department has no info in its records. This is a result of manipulation during previous government's reign. Now all eyes are set on Goa government's stand and arguments before the Supreme Court. Reporter Mahesh Kadi for Prudent.
Food Corporation of India, Civil Supplies Department and Women and Child Welfare Department officials may be hand in gloves in the Anganwadi rice black marketing exposed by Prudent. Official sources in the department have raised these doubts. Sources say rice cannot be black marketed without the knowledge and involvement of government officials. FIR has been lodged against the driver of the transporter and Mamladar is investigating the matter. Here's a report.
Prudent on Monday had exposed the Anganwadi rice black marketing. The rice quota allotted to Nuve Anganwadi was being supplied to one Digambar Naik in Sankwal. The driver was caught red-handed by the Verna police. Police seized 9 bags of rice from Digambar Naik. Now the question is, how can a driver of a transport company sell rice?
अंगणवाडी कोयताले तांदूळ धरून दिल्लेले हल्लेले ते याच एफसीआय गोडाऊनातल्यान हांगसरल्यान भायर सरलेले एफसीआय गोडाऊनातल्यान हो तांदूळ सालसेत तालुक्यांतल्या अंगणवाडी ज्यो आहा तांकां गेल्लेलो अशें सुत्रा कडल्यान अशें कळटा की हांगसर जे FCIचे कामगार आसा आनी बालवाडीचे कामगार हेंचे खंय तरी साटलोटे आसा काय कितें कित्याक 270 पिशव्यो हांगसरल्यान गेल्यो खरे पूण 269च थंयसर रिसीव जाल्यो पूण ड्रायव्हरा कडेन 3 पिशव्यो एक्स्ट्रा कश्यो हो संशयाचो विशय आहा अशी सुत्रा कडल्यान म्हायती मेळ्ळ्या की डायरेक्टर ऑफ सिव्हिल सप्लायज जे गोडाऊन आसा त्यांचो काम करणारे थंयसरले जे कोण कोण वर्कर्स आसा आनी हांगसरले हेंचे साठेलोटे आसा काय कितें.
Sources in Civil Supplies Department informed that from the past 30 years, the contract of supplying rice and wheat to various godown of civil supplies is being allotted to Prabhu Bholenath Transport Company from Ponda. How is Prabhu managing contract alone for so many years? Contract to Prabhu since 1982. Contract of supplying rice and wheat to Prabhu from 1982. Why only Prabhu is allotted contract since last 30 years? What does the wastage of rice mean? Black marketing of rice in guise of wastage. We contacted the proprietor of transport company Abhay Prabhu. He claims that he has got nothing to do with the black marketing of rice. He claims that his transportation services fulfill all the tender terms and conditions, and that's how the contract is allotted to him. He says services need specialized trucks.
तुमकांच ते मेळटाले न्ही तुमी लोवर बिडाक सदांच हे करताले
हय हय हय
पूण आतां थोडे अशें म्हणटात की तुमी मुद्दाम करताले खंय ती लोवर बीड आनी मागीर बाकीचे हे करूंक मेळटा म्हणून.
हे ना लोवर बीड केन्नाच करूना आमी आमकां कॉम्पिटिशनूच ना आमी एकटेच आहा न्ही.
हा हा हा
हॅलो तशें हे ना ते लोवर बीड बी तशें काय ना हे नसता तें चडूच आसता लोवर बीड नसता तें.
कळ्ळें कळ्ळें.
आमकां म्हणजे आमचीच लाकडी बॉडी गाडी आसा न्ही लाकडी बॉडी गाडी आनी कोणाची ना लाकडी बॉडी फक्त ते भायले भैयाचे लोक ते भायली गाडी हांगा चलोवपाक मेळना न्ही आमी त्या भानगडीकूच ना आमचे 3 साळे हे ते आमी केन्ना हे ते करूच ना कित्याक सांग आमी ते हातूनच ना न्ही मागीर ड्रायव्हराक घेवन आमी ते आनी ती गाडी खाली केल्ली हॅलो ती गाडी खाली करून आमची रिसीट बी सगळी हाडलेली आनी भितर ते काय स्क्वॉड आसता मग ती बाई असतात.
Contractor Prabhu has sided himself from the scam. Presently, Murmagaon police have sent a FIR copy to the civil supplies. Accused driver has been remanded 7 days police custody. Now Civil Supplies Department is awaiting report from the Mamledar. Sources informed next step will follow the Mamledar's report. Our reporter Surendra Matkaikar with reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
IFFI's concluding ceremony will be graced by the Tollywood actor Nagarjuna as the chief guest. This has been reported by the sources. The formal announcement will be done by the director of the IFFI, Shankar Mohan. In the last 2 days of IFFI, crowd will meet actors like Divya Datta, Vivek Oberoi and Shreya Serene. Vice Chairman of ESG Vishnu Wag informed that a ESG trust will be set up for the cinema artists. Special awards will also be given to these artists to boost their morale.
Many luminaries have agreed to come here on 29th and 30th. They might be there for the closing ceremony also. These would include actress Shreya Serene, then Divya Datta. Mr. Vivek Oberoi also has agreed to come down. The guests who are invited by the ESG. The chief guest for the closing function, his name will be announced by Sri Shankar Mohan ji. We would like to form a trust wherein we could institute awards for talented people in the field of Indian cinema as a whole. These awards would go not only to Goans, they will carry the name of the Goan artists, but they'll be awarded to those artists who have done yeoman services for the cause of cinema. No, right now I've only disclosed that we are going to form a trust. The idea is to take shape. We are yet to decide about the modalities. The ESG in its regular meetings will decide about the mode of about the awards and all that, all the other details.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.